Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair from this to this nice pretty high bun with the edges slayed, of course. So let's get right into it. Now what you're going to need is your brush, a toothbrush or an edge brush, a bottle spray, a hair tie, your gel, and some bobby pins. So what I do first is I like to just tie up my hair to where I want my bun to sit. Then I take the spray bottle and just spray that throughout my hair. Then I take my brush and dip that into some gel and just brush the gel throughout my hair. When I'm finished, I take the hair tie out of my hair and brush my hair up to where I want my bun to sit. Then I tighten up my hair tie, wrap my hair around to form the bun, and then I take some bobby pins and put them into place. Then I start to lay down my edges with some gel and the toothbrush. And that is it for the finished look. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.